How to assemble your Ascent 1. When your site is clear from debris, peg the footprint down against any prevailing wind. Lay out the inner tent, matching the orange webbing of the footprint to the orange webbing of the inner. Secure it with the same pegs used to secure the footprint. Assemble the alloy frame, making sure the pole sections are fully engaged in the hub. Insert the frame tips into the corner grommets using the colour coding. Orange tips match tabs with orange webbing, and plain tips match the tab with plain webbing. Clip the tent inner to the frame. Lay the rainfly over the tent frame. Attach the rainfly to the foot of the frame, clipping it to the corner webbing using colour coding. Secure the fly to the frame using the Velcro tabs. Now connect the head of the rainfly to the frame with the remaining colour-coded clips. Peg out the vestibules until they are taut. Adjust the tension of the rainfly. Peg out the corner storm ropes. Adjust the ropes for greater stability in the wind. When you are ready, fold back the door of your vestibule, securing it with the toggles. Happy camping!